Sheikh, I know that we are not supposed to mention the names of scholars.
So
However,
do not.
No, I do not. I do not. However, can I still share the question that was asked to him and his answer, so that I can ask you what it means, since I don't have access to that scholar?
You can.
Is it permissible?
You can.
Okay. He was asked, is loving to look at impermissible pictures which appear on the cell phones and internet, and always desiring this, consider it as shirk, in which the person is a slave to these pictures. And the answer of the Sheikh was, yes, it is shirk of desire.
This is not true. Akhi, this is not true. We've said this so many times. Yani, if I smoke, if I enjoy having a cigarette after a fat meal and enjoy drinking it with my coffee, is this because I'm enjoying it shirk of desire? This is not true. There is a difference between shirk, which is associating others with Allah, and between a sin. Watching pornography, watching beautiful models on Instagram, enjoying what I'm watching, this is zina of the eyes. It is a sin. The Prophet considered it and called it the zina of the eyes. But he did not call it shirk. So I don't care who says it is shirk of desire. They could say whatever they want. But without Qur'an and the Sunnah, and without the proper logic of it, sorry.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
So I plan to put Quran audio in my car. Basically, the audio will have a reciter recite few verses in Arabic, and then a guy will say the Urdu translation. The problem is that the Urdu translator reads the Deobandi translation, as most of the Urdu translating audios are made by Deobandis. So can I use it?
The answer is no. It is not permissible for you to listen to a translation of the meanings of the noble Quran that does not coincide with Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah. Because we know that these people follow the Ash'ari Maturidi Aqidah, and they manipulate and disregard Allah's beautiful attributes except for 7. But all other attributes, they change the meaning and misinterpret it and simulate it differently to what the Prophet ﷺ and his companions had taught us. So no, you should not listen to that. Look for some other tafsir or translation that is according to Ahl Sunnati wal Jama'ah. Sahih International in English. I think they may have a copy in Urdu. I don't know about that. You have to look into it.